Is it time to buy or sell Tenon Medical stock? In this video, we will explore Tenon Medical in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Tenon Medical as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could move either way. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 15.78% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 78.30% and negative 15.78%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 58.33%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 50.50% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $0 and $1.86. Our latest daily update for Tenon Medical includes the headline, "A volatile ride for Tenon Medical Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, moving between $3.27 and $5.85. The Tenon Medical Incorporated stock price gained 283.40% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, rising from 98 cents to $3.75. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 78.90%, from a day low of $3.27 to a day high of $5.85. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 148.34% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 273 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 288 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.08 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $15.79, and the lowest price was 91 cents. Currently, the price is 76.25% or $12.04 below the 52-week high, and 98.64% or $272.25 below the all-time high on June 24, 2022, when the price reached $276. Tenon Medical Inc. has recently made significant strides, evident from their latest announcements. On the 24th of March, the company received FDA clearance for their Catamaran SI joint fusion system, broadening its application to include augmenting spinal fusion. This approval opens up a sizable new market opportunity, potentially leading to increased revenue and market share. Additionally, on the 25th of March, Tenon announced a registered direct offering and a concurrent private placement, selling 733,500 shares at $2 each to a healthcare-focused institutional investor. While this move is dilutive, it indicates institutional confidence in the company and will provide much-needed capital for operational needs, further fueling growth. In their fourth quarter earnings report, Tenon highlighted a 12% revenue increase year over year, reaching $3,300,000 for 2024. The positive interim analysis from their main sales study reinforced the safety and effectiveness of their technologies, supporting the trajectory of revenue growth and potentially boosting investor sentiment. These developments could positively impact Tenon's stock price in the short term, driven by investor enthusiasm following FDA approvals and institutional investment. Long term, if the company successfully integrates its new offerings into the market and continues to report positive financial results, there could be sustained upward momentum in TNON stock, aligning well with broader market trends in healthcare innovation. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned TNON a speculative buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tenon Medical stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. For return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tenon Medical. The Tenon Medical Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $1.47 and $1.39. A decline below these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 24, 2025, and to date, the stock has increased by 283.4%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also evident from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger reported a buy signal 353 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 2 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also displayed a buy signal 2 days ago. For further signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tenon Medical. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is subject to considerable daily movements, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $2.58 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 78.90%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 23.2%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tenon Medical, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates sit at negative $3.77. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tenon Medical. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could rise swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there is also no substantial support from accumulated volume below. This suggests that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Therefore, proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Tenon Medical from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction was on the 3rd day of September 2024 when Kevin Williamson conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.62, indicating a decrease of 3.4%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. The relative strength index over the last 14 days stands at 80, further heightening this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is Tenon Medical stock a good buy? TNON Medical Inc. exhibits several positive signals. However, these signals alone do not make it a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, allowing investors to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a strong sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of March, we anticipate that Tenon Medical will open higher by 540 cents, starting trading at $4.29. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.